Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix this issue where it says computer appears to be correctly configured but the device or resource is not responding. So in order to fix this guys, I have a couple of methods for you. So the first one is go on over to our uh, network settings. So right click on the network icon and open network and internet settings. Over here you just have to select change adapter options and you have to select here what ethernet cable or ethernet network you have. So if you are on ethernet or local area or Wi-Fi, you just have to select that and right click, go over to properties here, and over here make sure to find internet protocol version 4 and go over to properties here, and over here on the DNS server here make sure to tap on or click on just the following DNS server addresses. We will change it to ours. So 8.8.8.8 on the first one, and over here 8.8.4.4 on the second one. And you just have to check the validate settings upon exit and hit OK, and that should fix the issue. But if that still does not work, guys, go ahead on your CMD here, right click and run as administrator. And over here, you just have to input the following codes here. So the first one is we need to reset our DNS. So type in ipconfig space slash flushdns, enter, and IP space ipconfig again space forward slash registerdns. So there. After that, the last one is ipconfig again space forward slash renewdns. So there, as you can see there. So let's exit here and see if that worked for you. If that still does not work, guys, so let's go over to our CMD again, run as admin, and over here, let's reset our IP. So for this one, so type in netsh space int space IP space reset, and that should reset that. And let's reset the Windows socket. So netsh space winsock space reset, and that should reset the Windows socket. So don't worry guys, I will provide all the codes in the description so you won't have to memorize it. So okay guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.